Welcome back to Courtroom Chronicles, where we break down the most intense moments from inside the justice system. Today, we're in Judge Raquel West's courtroom, a place where excuses go to die and accountability is king. From bond forfeitures to strict deadlines, this judge doesn't play games. We're about to see a docket packed with missed appearances, shaky stories, and a judge who sees right through it all. Let's get into it. First up is Dylan Wilkinson, charged with deadly conduct for discharging a firearm. He's out on bond but hasn't hired a lawyer yet. He asks for more time, and Judge West grants him 30 days, but with her signature condition, the 3-lawyer rule. He has to contact at least 3 attorneys and bring their names back to court. It's her way of making sure defendants are actively working on their cases. If he doesn't comply, his bond gets raised, and he could be right back in jail. The message is clear from the start. Follow the rules. Now, let's see what happens when you don't. Brianna Clayton's name is called. Silence. No response. Judge West doesn't hesitate. Next, we have Dreanne Rose, just 18 years old, and facing a felony for assaulting a security officer. Judge West takes a different approach here. She recognizes his youth, but doesn't coddle him. Instead, she gives him a structured plan. Apply for 5 jobs a week, bring proof, and start talking to lawyers. This isn't just about the case. It's about pushing a young man toward responsibility and a better path. It's accountability with a purpose. But the judge's patience definitely has its limits. Meet Lance Sherbino. He's been in this courtroom before, always with the same story about hiring a lawyer. Judge West gives him one last chance, resetting his case one more time. The finality in her voice is unmistakable. Then there's Presley Veltz. When asked who he's talked to, he gets flustered and changes his story. Judge West catches it instantly. Be careful what you're saying, she warns. He doesn't get 30 days like the others. He gets a short 2-week leash and a stern reminder that you don't just forget and fill any court. He needs to come back with names, proof of work, and a much better attitude. Now, let's talk about the defendants who are already on thin ice. Caitlin Talamore is charged with evading arrest. She had a court-appointed lawyer while in jail, but now that she's out on bond, Judge West expects her to try and hire her own. She gets the standard 30-day reset with the 3-lawyer rule. The stakes are high, 5 to complete, and she's back behind bars. Then we have Janesha Leonard, who is in some serious trouble. She's facing 2 probation revocations plus a brand new charge. Judge West reminds her that she set those bonds lower than the state even wanted, essentially giving her a break she didn't have to. The judge is basically telling her, I gave you a chance. Don't waste it. She's ordered to get a job, talk to lawyers, and bring proof of everything. Any misstep, and those bonds are gone. The judge even asks how she made bond, highlighting just how much is on the line for her and her family. But this hearing isn't all about tough love. There's a moment of real compassion when Anthony Salvato steps forward. He's a veteran on a motion to revoke his probation, but he's been actively participating in veteran programs and trying to find work. Despite his health issues and his record, he's been hitting brick walls trying to hire a lawyer. Seeing his genuine effort, Judge West switches gears. Instead of threats, she offers help, giving him paperwork to apply for a court-appointed attorney. This shows her balanced approach. She demands effort, but she also recognizes when someone is truly trying their best against the odds. Finally, the day ends on a positive, straightforward note with Darrell Spencer. He says he's ready to hire his lawyer today and even has the money with him. Judge West gives him 2 weeks to get it done. Simple, practical, and it keeps the case moving. So, what's the takeaway from Judge Raquel West's courtroom? Consistency is everything. Her rules apply to everyone. Whether you're 18 or a veteran, whether you're on your first appearance or your 5th, the message is the same. Take your case seriously, follow the orders, and show some effort. She runs a tight ship, but it's not without a human touch. She's firm but fair, demanding but also understanding when it's warranted. What do you think of Judge West's style? Is her blend of strictness and compassion the right way to run a courtroom? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you have to say, and if you found this deep dive interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and and hit that notification bell for more content. Thanks for watching.